Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's up, New Mexico? What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. How you doing? Man, it is November. That means it is Black Friday all month long here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. And there are all kinds of deals that you want to hear about, including the extra $500 in Cyber Cash. That's Chevrolet Cyber Cash. Get an extra $500 in on top of the rebates that were already out there. Like this Silverado, this brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado. Get like $1,500 cash back. Plus, GM Financial is including 2.49% financing for 72 months, and you get the rebate. That's crazy. So they've got that going on during this Black Friday sales event that we've got here at Melloy Chevrolet, and we've got all kinds of other specials too, including some new vehicles that just came in. Like they just unloaded a Tahoe. We've got that. We've got some Colorados out over there. Got a couple of Colorados. If you're looking for a Colorado, they've been hard to find, but now we got them. So if you are looking to find a vehicle, we have got vehicles, and they're coming in every day. So if you're looking for something, chances are it's either here or it's on the way. So we've got that happening. What else? What else? Oh, in our service department, forget about it, it's crazy. So in our service department, we have got some specials, including they're focused in on winterization. You know, it's pretty nice today, and we have got winter coming. So you need to get your coolant checked. You know, you probably need your wiper blades changed. We can change the air filter and the cabin air filter. So we've got a special on our winterization specials going on. Come in and see an advisor. They can look at your vehicle and give you the special on that. Oh, happy hour. Did we talk about happy hour yet? We have got a happy hour in our service department. So Monday through Friday from 1 to 3 p.m. if you come in and get your oil change done, just call and schedule that oil change appointment, and we're going to text you. Yeah, that's right. We're going to text you a coupon for an instant $10 off your service during happy hour. So if you need to get your vehicle serviced, I mean, we're super easy to find right here on the interstate. I-25, exit 203 right here in Los Lunas, easy to find. Just minutes from Albuquerque, just minutes from Socorro. Wherever you are, we can help you out. So if you're looking to get your vehicle serviced, I mean, they've got other specials too, including tire rebates. They've got some tire rebates going on. They have got some things happening. So if you're looking to get your vehicle serviced, get on down here. Exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. We've got that happening. You know, we've also rolled out this month, we're talking a lot about commitment. Wow, that turned deep really fast. But we are committed to you. And what that means to you is we have vowed to do the right thing for every customer every time. Because our goal is satisfied customers, and that's what we're laser focused on. We are focused in on having the commitment to each customer that comes here for service, for sales, whatever you come here for. We want to make sure that you're satisfied. So check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. You can read about our commitment program. We've got that happening. We have got those specials going on in our sales department, including the Cyber Cash. That's pretty cool, $500. You just go online and register for it. We can help you do it here. We've got the special financing through GM Financial with approved credit. And we've got vehicles. So there you go. It's a full boat of stuff. You got specials, you've got rebates, you've got financing, you've got our service department. So get on down here. Check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000. Or just come on down here and see us. Exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. Melloy Chevrolet, we are committed to you. And I guess that's it. We covered it all. So click the link. That'll take you to the website. You can schedule your service. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? I forgot. We just rolled it out last month. If you are looking for parts, you know, I talked about sales, I talked about service, we talk about parts. If you are looking for parts, we just rolled out our online e-store for parts. It's got our full catalog of parts on there. If you're looking for a part, jump online and go to our parts department. You'll see our catalog there. You can scroll through, you can put it in your vehicle. It'll tell you what parts fit it. Go ahead and place your order. If you're not close and you want to come pick it up, we can ship it to you. So we've got that e-store now for our parts department. That's exciting. We've had a lot of customers that have taken advantage of that since we rolled it out last month. And so we wanted to talk about it and let you know, hey, we've got our parts catalog online. Go ahead and order some parts. So check us out online, melloychevrolet.com. Click that link below. Give us a phone call. Get on down here. Don't miss Black Friday all month long at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. We're committed to you.